Good morning, dear students. So, in the last class, we discussed about the pair of linear equation, and we are in the last exercise and last problems, last three problems. And this type of problems are important as a examination point of view for 4 marks. This word problems actually they ask for 4 marks or 3 marks. Okay. So here they give that formulate the following pair of equation and hence find the solution. So here they given Ritu can row downstream 220 kilometers in 2 hours and upstream 4 kilometers in 2 hours. Find the speed of rowing in a still water and speed of a current. Okay, this is actually what type of problems here? Row in the sense, so she has some ship, so not ship, so she has some boat. Okay, she has some boat. So this boat, so you may see that in the road, in the normal road, we have that ups and downs, right? Even in the still water, especially in the rivers and other water bodies like lakes and all, especially in the rivers, we have the ups and downs. So somewhat like this. But when you see through the when you see in our eyes, it doesn't look the we're not able to see the ups and downs. We see it looks like a straight, isn't? But there also we have the ups and downs like this. We have ups and downs. Suppose here we know that when there is a down, definitely that any vehicle or anything will move without more effort. So and when there is a up, so we need to put some effort to move forward. So here what we need to do, so we need to find here that what is that, the boat is moving in a still water. So the boat is moving in a still water in the sense, so only the water, and here water currents in the sense, you may see that in the water that water is flowing. So water is flowing with some energy, so that is nothing but water current. Okay, now we need to find our speed of rowing in the sense is nothing but pulling of water. So we're using some sticks or some whatever some instrument, so that the boat riders what they will do, they'll pull the water back. So when they pull the water back, the boat will move forward according to Newton's third law. For every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. The same way they will do this. So when they pull the water back, so the boat will move forward. Okay, so now we need to find what is the in what speed she is pulling the water back, and also we need to find what is the speed of the water current, in what speed the water is flowing by itself. Okay, so for that what we can do, so we can take the so let the speed of Ritu in still water, and let it be x kilometer per hour, and the speed of stream or water current is y kilometer per hour. Okay, you can take like this. Let the speed of Ritu in still water, it be x kilometer per hour, and speed of this speed of stream is y kilometer per hour. Okay, still water it is x kilometer, and in the speed of this one is y kilometer. So now the speed of Ritu while rowing upstream. So while she coming upstream, what happens? Suppose she's at this point. So she want to, okay, she want to row her boat. So what she'll do, she need to uh, pull the water back. While pulling the water back, this water current, whatever the water currents here, whatever the water currents which is there, it is also pulling it back. So then we'll get one, well, coming from down to up, so we have only the one energy, so that is rowing energy, and there is no energy of the stream, so therefore it is x minus, so therefore it is x minus y kilometer per hour. And the speed in the downstream, while going for down, while she is traveling in the downstream, so it has both the speed, so the speed of water current, and also the speed of the boat. Okay, so now this is, okay, so now this is about the upstream and downstream. So according to the question, Ritu can row downstream 20 kilometers in 2 hours. Ritu can row downstream 20 kilometers in 2 hours. 20 kilometers she can travel. So this is a distance travel. So that she can travel a distance of 20 kilometer. So distance traveled is 20 kilometer, and time is equals to 2 hours. Okay, so now we know that speed is equals to, so speed is equals to distance by, according to physics, so you need to use the physics formula here, speed is equals to distance by time. Okay, what is okay, what is the speed in the downstream, what is the speed in the upstream, we'll find. So what is the time in the upstream and what is the time in the downstream, we'll find. So if we interchange this, you'll get here time is equals to distance by speed. Okay, speed is equal to distance by time. So therefore you can write here uh, t1. So in the upstream you can take in the upstream, or you can take here tu. Why? Because upstream, which is equal to, what is the distance she traveled? She traveled distance of 20 kilometers, isn't? So then 20 kilometers divided by, and also we know what is a, when is going for upstream, this is for upstream. So she traveled 20 kilometers. So what is the time she taken? So she took 2 hours. So what is the distance she traveled? She traveled a distance of 4 kilometers in 2 hours while going in the upstream. So distance is 4 kilometers, sorry, not 20 kilometers, it is for downstream. Just a minute. So it is 4. So it is 4 kilometer. And what is that speed? Speed is, while coming from the upstream, speed is x minus y. X minus y. And what is the time? So what is the time she took? She took the time of 2 hours. So therefore here it is 2. So 2 is equals to 4 divided by x minus y. Now simplify here. So 2 into x minus y, which is equals to 4. So now divide this by 2 on both the side. 2 and 2 get cancelled. So here 2 ones are 2 2s are. So then x minus y is equals to 2. Call this as equation 1. So next downstream. So downstream. So I'm going for the downstream. So you can use the same formula. Speed is equal to distance by time, or time is equal to speed by distance. You can use any of this. So that is, I'll take this, speed is equal to distance by time. Speed is equals to distance by time. Distance by time. So what is speed in the downstream? So in the downstream the speed is x plus y. The downstream the speed is x plus y, which is equal to, what is the distance she traveled? She traveled in the downstream. Ritu can row downstream 20 kilometers. 20 kilometers she drove in the 4 hours. Sorry, in the 2 hours. So distance is 20. So divide by 4. Sorry, not 4, 2. 2 hours. Time is 2 hours. Okay, now simplify. 2 into x plus y, so which is equals to 20. So divide by 2 on both the side. So 2 and 2 get cancelled. So x plus y, which is equals to 10. Call this as equation 2. So then now we got equation 1 and equation 2. You can simplify equation 1 and 2, so you'll get equation, you'll get the answer. So here x minus y, which is equals to 2, and x plus y, which is equals to 10. You can simplify using any of the method. I'll simplify by elimination method. So already it is eliminated. So 2x, which is equals to 12. So x is equals to 12 by 2, it is 6 kilometer per hour. Now substitute x is equal to 6 in equation 1. So we'll get x minus y is equal to 2. So then x is 6 minus y is, we don't know, so write that y, which is equals to 2. So minus y is equals to 2 minus okay, what is it, 2 minus 6. So minus y is equals to 2 minus 6 is minus 4, minus minus get cancelled, so y is equals to 4 kilometer per hour, 4 kilometer per hour. So I hope all of you understood this. So here we used speed formula, that is which is used in the physics. Speed is equals to distance by time. Okay, so next we'll go for the next problem. Okay, the next question. So 2 women and 5 men can together finish a embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work, and also the time taken by one man alone to finish the same work. Okay, actually this type of problems are known as work and time problems. So this is the one of the new type of problems for you. Okay, so in the especially in the examinations like competitive exams like KS, IAS, so all this on all that examination, competitive exam, FDA, SDA, in that examination, so you will get this type of questions for 1 or 2 marks, 3 marks, 4 marks you'll get. I mean that is 3 to 4 questions you'll get. That is 1 mark questions. So in that exam, that is 1 mark question, and it will be asked for 3 to 4 marks. Okay. So now, so we need to find what is the how to so I mean how what is the time taken by one woman and one man to finish the same work. So here what we can do, so let the number of days taken by a woman and men be x and y respectively. Okay, so the number of days taken by women be x and men be y. So therefore work done by woman in 1 day, so the number of days she take is x. So in 1 day how much she can finish? So 1 by x. In 1 day she can finish 1 by x. In 2 days that is 2 by x. In 3 days 3 by x. So like that. So in the 1 day she can finish 1 by x of the work. And work done by a man in 1 day is 1 by y. So now according to the question, what the question they given? So 2 men and 5 women together finish a embroidery work in 4 days. So 2 men. So 2 men, that is 2 times 1 by 2 women, 2 times 1 by x plus 2 times 3 5 men, 5 times 1 by y, which is equals to 4. So that is in 4 days how many men, how many women? 2 women, 2x, 2 by 1x plus how many men? So 5 into 1 by y, that is 5y, 5 by y. So they can finish this work, one work. Okay, so now next one is, you can simplify it further. So you can write here 8 by x, 8 by x plus 5 fours are 20y, 20 by y is equals to 1. Call this as equation 1. So now next here one more condition one more question they given, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. So in 3 days how many men? 3 days 3 women, so 3 by x plus 6 men, 6 by y can finish can finish this work. Okay, so now we can write this as 3 3s are 9 by x plus 3 6 are 18y, so which is equals to 1. Call this as equation 2. So now what you can take, so you can put 1 by x is equals to p and 1 by y is equals to q. So 1 by x, that is 8p plus 20y, which is equals to 1, and next one here 9p plus 18y is equals to 1. So you need to isolate any one of, need to eliminate any one of this, I'll go for the cross multiplication only. Sorry, I'll go for the elimination method only. So I'll multiply here by 9 and here by 8. So then what you'll get, 8 nines are, so 8 times 9, 8 nines are 72p plus 29s are 180 180q. Sorry, I wrote here q, which is equals to 9. And again here also 72p plus 18 into 8. So 18 into 8 is 144q, which is equals to 8. Now simplify this, minus minus minus, it will get cancelled. So that is 180 minus 144, so which is equals to plus 36q, which is equal to plus 1. So therefore q is equals to 1 over 36. Q is equals to 1 over 36. Similarly, substitute q is equals to 1 over 36 in substitute. If we want, you can call this as equation 3 and 4. So before multiplying, write one more time. That is, you can call this as 3 and this is 4. So both, don't write this 9 into 9 and 8. So before after writing equation 3 and 4, you can write these steps. Substitute q is equals to 1 by 36 in 3. So therefore 8p plus 20q, which is equals to 1. So here 8p plus 20 into q is 1 by 36, which is equals to 1. So here 8p plus, simplify this, so 20 divided by 36, that is nothing but 5 by 9. 5 by 9 is equal to 1. So then 8p, which is equals to 1 minus 5 by 9. So if you do that, 1 minus 5 by 9, so you'll get 4 by 9. 8p, which is equals to 4 by 9. So if you simplify it further, so here p is equals to 4 by 9 into 8. So 1s are here, 2s are. So therefore p is equals to 1 by 9 2s are 18. 9 2s are 18. This is p. So you got your p value and q value. You need to find x and y value. We know x is 1 by x is equal to p and 1 by y is equal to q, isn't it? Here. So take this and simplify. 1 by x is equals to p and 1 by y is equals to q. Okay. So 1 by p, that is 1 by x is equals to p is 1 by 18 and 1 by y is equals to q. Q is 1 by 36. So take the reciprocal. So x is equals to 18 days and y is equals to 36 days. Y is equal to 36 days. So therefore the number of days taken by a woman be x, that is 18 days, and men be 36 days. So from this you can come to know that girls do the work faster, but it is not true actually. Boys will do faster. Okay. So next, last problem. Okay, the last problem. Rohi travels 300 kilometers to her home partly by train and partly by bus. She takes 4 hours if she travels 60 kilometers by train and that remaining by bus. If she travels 100 kilometers by train and remaining by bus, she takes 10 minutes longer. So find the speed of the train and the bus separately. Actually, it's a very lengthy problem. Okay, we'll do this now. So I can take that. Let the speed of train be u kilometer per hour and bus be v kilometer per hour respectively. According to the given information, what they given here, Rohi travels 300 kilometers. So how she traveled? Partly by train and by bus. If she takes four if she takes 4 hours, if she travels 60 kilometer by train and remaining by bus. So in the 300 kilometers, what if she travels 60 kilometer by bus? How many kilometers she travel by the train? That is 240. Therefore 60 divided by u plus 240 divided by v is equals to 4. And similarly, one more they given. So if she travel 100 kilometers by train, that is 100 by u plus, and remaining, that is 200 kilometers by bus, so she take around uh, 10 minutes longer. So that is 4 plus 10 minutes. So that is, what is that, 4 plus 10 minutes? So that is 4 plus 10 minutes in the sense, so 4 hours in the sense, 240. So that is 240. Okay, 4 hours in the sense how many minutes? Okay, we need to convert to the hours. Okay, 4, that is 4 hours 10 minutes. So 10 minutes in the sense, I can take a 10 divided by 60. Okay, then 0 0 get cancelled. So if we simplify this, so 4 1 by 6, if we convert this, we'll get 25 by 6. 25 by 6, that only 0, yeah, 25 by 6. Okay, so now it is, you need to solve this by using the what is that, last method. That is one, putting 1 by u is equals to p and 1 by v is equals to q. So in this we obtain. Okay, okay, here now by multiplying equation 3 by 10, so we obtained that 600p plus 200 2400q, which is equals to 40. Call this as equation 5, and subtracting equation 4 from 5, so we obtained that 1200q is equal to 15. So if simplify, q is equal to 1 over 80. Substituting in equation 3, so we obtained 60 p plus 3 is equal to 4. So if we simplify that, p is equals to 1 over 60, and p is equals to 1, p is equal to 1 by u is equal to 1 by 60, and q is equal to 1 by v is equal to 1 by 80. So we get that u is equals to what is that, 60 kilometer per hour, and v is equal to 80 kilometer per hour. Hence the speed of train is 60 kilometer per hour, and speed of bus is 80 kilometer per hour. So look into this problem. So this completes the pair of linear equation in two variables. Okay, if you have any doubts, so please ask me through the message. Okay, and the next we'll start with the new chapter, and we'll have one UT on this chapter, so we'll tell you when it is. So it may be for 15 to 20 marks. We'll assign one UT. Okay, so then this completes the pair of linear equation two variables. So we'll see the remaining thing in the next lesson in the next class. Okay, so then have a nice day, and happy Dasara to all of you, to you and your family. So stay blessed, then take care. Bye.